In this video, I will show you a 1xbet promo code that you can use in Singapore. It's very easy. So you have to, after downloading your 1xbet app from your Apple Store or Play Store, you go ahead and click on register. Then you click on full. In this next session, I will advise you input all your details correctly. And when you are done, on the country section, you input the country Singapore, currency Singapore dollar. Then on your promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After input the promo code Chelsea TV, 1xbet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 Singapore dollars, you get 40,000 Singapore dollars free money. So when you are done, you click on these three boxes below and then you register. It's very